Eastwood Neighborhood Association doing the Eastwood cleanup. And it's super important to us because we feel like this is our home, this is where we work, this is where we go to school, and there's nothing more joyful than walking down the streets to a clean neighborhood, and we want to do our part to help clean up however we can.
We're with OCRRA Health, and we have a handful of other volunteers that joined us out today to do a community cleanup. Upstate New York, we have harsh winters. The snow lasts for a long time. When Earth Day comes around, we try to get as many people together to show our support to the community in the city.
We're all with JDAC today, and we just wanted to come out here since for one it's a nice day, and for two we just wanted to help clean up this road because there's just endless litter. Help clean up the environment and to make sure that the animals don't get hurt and affected by the litter and trash. We usually do this twice a year, so this is the first time that we'll be doing it, and you'll probably see us again in a few months.
On behalf of the New York State Senate, I am very proud to present this proclamation commemorating over 30 years of OCRRA's annual Earth Day litter cleanup. Whereas Earth Day is an annual celebration that honors the achievements of the environmental movement and raises awareness of the need to protect the Earth's natural resources for future generations. And whereas each year thousands of Onondaga County residents pick a day, time, and location to clean, this event is the community's largest environmental effort and has been recognized nationally. Do your part and save the world a little each day. And whereas over 2.8 million pounds of litter has been removed from the Onondaga community and converted into electricity since the program's inception in 1991, now therefore be it proclaimed that I, New York State Senator Rachel May, am proud to commemorate this day.